Hey, how's it going? It's Mr. Peace. I just got done speaking at Coyote Valley Elementary here in Hidden Valley Lake, California. Got to share my heart with the kindergartners all the way up to the sixth graders here at the school. A lot of emotion, some tears, some healing, but just pure hearts. And the whole topic today was about bullying, but more importantly, seeing somebody for their heart before anything else. Like my shirt says, one race, human, that we see people as human beings before anything, but also that we see them as true miracles, like the M etched on all of our palms for miracle, but upside down, W for worthy. And what I really tried to reinforce, though, is that bullying in the past has been something that has to be repeated over and over and over again, but really so many states all across this country are starting to adopt a new mentality that even just one action, 2 seconds, can have the same type of impact as this repeated action, that it can stay in someone's heart for the rest of their life. And it's our job to hopefully make sure that the 2 seconds, our actions, our words, every heartbeat, that it's something positive and not something that's negative. So like this acronym here on the school says, safe, respectful, and responsible. That's us choosing to be safe through our words, that we try to uplift people instead of tear down, but also to be respectful, seeing people for what's on the inside, appreciating what's on the outside, but also being responsible citizens of this planet, being the change that Gandhi talks about, sharing our hearts and compassion and love. Thanks for touching my heart. Hope to be back soon. Peace.